This is a 40-gallon. Just all it has is, needle leaf Java fern right there, and the Nubias everywhere, the taller versions. And there's the pleco right there. I just took out the wood, so I'm gonna add another piece, but he's right there. He's a long, he's a long fin bristle. And the two convicts, the pair. The eggs hatched a week ago, and the fry were free swimming a couple days ago. Around there. I do not intend to keep the fry, if you were wondering that. I intend to feed the fry maybe 2 weeks from now, so to these guys, well, not in particular the Oscar, the Datnoid, he loves it. This tank I haven't really shown, but it's a Growout. In the far right, maybe you can't see that well, but on the far right in the back, there's a Peacock bass. 2 inches, 2.5. Behind the filter is a royal crown knifefish. Towards the back, he's usually next to the filter during the day, but once you turn the lights off, he's always out. So, but when I wake up the next morning, basically, the fry I put in there is just gone. Like, for instance, last night I put in 3 guppy fry, and then this morning they're gone. Well, that's pretty much it. Maybe you can get a good shot. Possibly. No. He's too far behind the filter. There's the Peacock bass. And there's a little, that's what I call him. It's just a Growout tank, FYI. I'm not going to keep them there forever. Obviously, they're going to be in here. And if I see that they need to be in the bigger tank, there is a 300-gallon at my dad's office. So, do not complain, please. I'm well aware of their full size. Like, comment, subscribe on all my other videos too. Thanks.